Good morning everyone. Today we are going to present to you a documentary about the Yole cantonment. And in this documentary we would be covering the geographical setting, the location, the history of the region and the present importance. The location is perched at the foothills in the snow-clad mighty Dhauladas in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And it is at the offshoot of the great Himalayan ranges. It is a land of cherry blossoms, oak trees, rolling meadows and sleepy hamlets. The steep slopes are intermittently caught between thunderous showers and refreshing sunshine, giving it a shade of brilliant green and brown. It is a sleepy town, particularly a military station, and is located in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Now, we will be moving on to the history. This is the entrance of the Yole Fort Museum, which we will be showing you right now. On the bastion of the fort are the first of the martyrs. This one here is Major Somnath Sharma. He is also a Rimkolian and also the first Paramveer Chakra awardee of India. Presenting you the Yole Museum. This is the symbol of the Rising Star Corps, which was raised in Yole environment recently. The Yole Museum covers a lot of artifacts and cultures and about the martyrs of the region Yole. This here are the equipment used by the natives of Yole and Himachal Pradesh. This panel here describes the Kangra Valley. Now coming to this panel. This is about the Italian prisoners of war and where they were housed. These are the makeshift dormitories of the Italian prisoners of war, and this is a tombstone built in memory of an Italian prisoner of war who was shot dead by a British soldier while he tried to escape from the prison. And this panel gives information about the 26th Infantry Division. The Daha Division was one of the most important formations which was raised here in Europe. This shows the journey of Daha Division from Calcutta to Rangoon to Myanmar to Sumatra, Bangalore, Jammu, doing a full round circle. These are the bursts of our war heroes or the martyrs. This here is Captain Vikram Batra. This is Major Sudhir Kumar. This here is Captain A.S. Jasotia. And this here is Lieutenant Trivedi Singh. A devastating earthquake strikes Kangra. 7.8 in the Richter scale, 20,000 people and 50,000 animals died. We stand a mute witness to nature's fury. Then the Great War began. In 1941, the World War II. It was fought all the way across from Western Europe to Southeast Asia. The British Indian government captured thousands of soldiers as prisoners of war and transported them to Kangra via train. The soldiers worked on the slopes, broke stone and slate and made what is now the Yole cantonment. 13,000 of the soldiers housed in makeshift dormitories, and every evening the sergeant used to scream and order your own lines from the tower, which now represents how it's got its name, Yole cantonment. The Italians left behind a long-standing relic also known as the Freedom Memorial. This is a simple assembly of stones and slates which depicts their elusive desire for freedom. Now, we will be moving the documentary forward to present day Yole and its significance. So, after the war, young British officers were sent to leave on this station, and then it came to be known as Young Officers Leave, also Yole cantonment again. It has raised two important military formations, the Daha Division and presently the Rising Star Corps. It is also the headquarters of the 9th Corps in the army. Under it come the many units of three states that are Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Many institutions were developed to complement its natural beauty, such as the golf course we are standing in. We can see a beautiful view around here, and now we would come to the end of the documentary on Yole cantonment. Thank you. Jai Hind. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Karan Divyansh signing off. Goodbye.